Summer is fantastic, but it's not always fun, especially when our skin and hair gets stressed out because of extremely hot weather. We tend to sweat a lot and our oil glands become very active. That's why skincare is very important. But sweat and oil can make us feel like we need to cleanse more often. And by doing so, we are actually stripping away the natural oils and moisturizing factor from our skin, which leads to dry and dull skin. So I always complete my skincare routine using alcohol-free toner and water-based moisturizers. I have also been testing SK2's Spitera Essence Set for 2 days, and all I can say is wow. Now I'm wondering what I'm gonna do if I run out of the product. When it's summer, expect a lot of sun, and so UV protection products are essential. I usually apply sunscreen with SPF 50 on my face, but if it's too oily for you, you can also use light moisturizers with SPF 15 or higher. Using a cute umbrella wouldn't hurt too. Masks could help too if you need extra moisture for your face. I really love using face masks, but I try to use them sparingly. Once or twice a month is enough for me. But if you're talking about real hydration, nothing beats water. So drink lots and lots and lots of water. But if that gets too boring for you, you can always add something to spice up your water. I usually add matcha or green tea to my water. And I also add shaved ice, a little bit of milk and sugar for a refreshing summer drink. It's known to have anti-inflammatory and detoxification properties that helps in improving acne, and also it speeds up the metabolism. So if you're trying to lose some weight, I think this will be worth a try. But if you're planning to go to the beach with a smoking summer body, the best way to achieve that is through exercise, and my dogs are agreeing with me. And yes, it's a cliche, but you must always pair exercise with good diet. But it's also difficult for me. I'm a voracious eater and I can't really starve myself. But instead of that, my simple tip is adding romaine or iceberg lettuce in your diet. Lettuce has less calories, lots of vitamins and fiber, and it has a high amount of chromium. High chromium content helps in regulating blood sugar levels. When there is increased blood sugar, there is increased oil production in our skin, and it can lead to production of acne. So if you reduce the blood sugar level using chromium, then you will have lesser breakouts and flare-ups of acne. But honestly, I just like eating lettuce before without even knowing that. And now we are done taking care of our skin. Now we can prettify ourselves with easy breezy light makeup for summer. If you live in a sunny part of the world, then BB cream should be your best friend. This skincare makeup hybrid has SPF 50, PA+++, moisturizer, oil control property, nice coverage, and it's long lasting. That sounded like a commercial though. Long lasting makeup is important, so I like enduring makeup that can last the whole day and won't go away when I sweat. 24-hour eyebrow pen, mattifying fixing spray, and this Aqua Seal are some of my go-to products for a summer-proof look. You can use the Aqua Seal to make your eyeshadow and eyeliner last longer. And my eyeliner is blue if you didn't notice. It's summer, so salt water, chlorinated water, and UV rays may take a toll on your hair, and shampooing your hair every day also rubs off some of the hydration of your hair. So what I like to do, I put argan oil on my palms, and then I rub that or apply that on my mid-shaft to the ends of my hair for an everyday good day hair. And underarm whitener, that's quite important for summer because it's the bikini, tank top, tube top season. I'm trying out a natural way of whitening the armpits or underarms, which is using calamansi. But I'm not done with that project, so I'm not ready to show it to you guys, sorry. And now from my armpits, let's try to go back up to our crowning glory. If the roots of your hair get a little too oily, you can use dry shampoo or talc powder, Johnson's baby powder, and just sprinkle that on your roots for a quick fix. And last but not the least, what to wear for summer? Plain or colorful, booty shorts or a maxi dress, or even a shirt with a coconut print on it, it doesn't really matter. As long as you're comfortable and you're happy with what you're wearing, then that's the perfect outfit. You should just be yourself. That's it for my summer beauty tips. Did you see that coming? Maybe because it was quite obvious, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you learned something from the video, how about a little thumbs up? And also subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!